Welcome to our tea factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how tea bags are made, from freshly harvested tea leaves to the perfectly sealed tea bags you enjoy at home. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing factory tours.
The leaves are gently withered to reduce moisture, while preserving their natural aroma and flavor.
Controlled oxidation develops the tea's distinctive color, aroma, and flavor. Every batch is carefully graded to ensure premium quality. Each tea bag receives the exact amount of tea for a perfectly balanced cup.
Every package is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how tea bags are made, from fresh tea leaves to the perfect cup of tea. Thanks for watching.